Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to introduce you to my GearCube family. To start with, this is 2x2 GearCube, or you can say GearCube Shift. So it moves like this. You have to pull it out like this, and then you have to move it, and then you have to push it back, and you can pull it from here, and then you have to move like this and then push it back. So this is very interesting cube. So this is GearCube Shift. Then this is normal 3x3 GearCube. This is GearCube Extreme, wherein you can see the difference between GearCube and GearCube Extreme is the middle layer of this cube is it doesn't have gears like unlike this. So it moves like this, and in this it doesn't move like this. It moves along with the gear. So the basic difference is this is more challenging than this regular 3x3 GearCube, because it moves like this and then you can move it. So this is GearCube Extreme. Then this is GearCube Gear Master Mofix. So this is again very interesting puzzle, and it changes the shape. It changes the shape like this. So this is Master Mofix cube. This is Gear Octahedron cube. This is again interesting puzzle. So it moves like this, and it also moves like this. So this is again a very interesting puzzle. Then this is 14 faces GearCube, or you can say tetrachydecahedron cube. This is also interesting puzzle. So it is more like 3x3 with corner cut, but it has got 14 faces. And this is gear mix-up cube. Normally if you look at all gear cubes, it moves along with the middle layer in this, and you cannot move halfway through. Like you cannot move like this and then you can you can move from here, but in this case you can move halfway like this, and then from here also you can move. So this is gear mix-up puzzle, and this is very interesting puzzle, very smooth puzzle, and I really like this puzzle. So it moves like this. So this is my GearCube family. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot. Thank you.